and namaste. It's me Arjun Pokhrel, science teacher of Sagarmatha Secondary School. Dear students, welcome to you all in my online class. Today I am here with another session, another video of the online class of class 8 science, and the chapter is environment. Dear students, we have been discussing this chapter for the few days, and in this class I will be discussing about the dependency of the human beings on the natural resources. Okay, natural resources and human dependency on natural resources. Dear students, in the previous class we already discussed about what do you mean by natural resources, what are the examples of the natural resources, okay, and for what purpose human beings depend on the natural resources, okay, which we have already discussed in the previous class. And here I am going to continue the same chapter, okay, same topic. In the previous class we discussed about the dependency of the human resources, natural resources for food, okay, for shelter, for air, for water, okay, etc. And in this class, first of all, I'm going to discuss about the dependency of the human resources, human on the natural resources for land. Okay, land is also one of the natural resources like air, water, etc. Okay, so all the living organisms depend on land for shelter, for food. All the living organisms, all unicellular to multicellular organisms, depend on soil for shelter and for food. We also depend on the land. We cultivate different types of crops on the land. We make our house on the land. We use different raw materials of the natural resources to make our house on the land. Okay, so it is also one of the important, it is also one of the valuable natural resources. And land is formed of soil, rocks, and liquid materials. Okay, land also contains water, soil, rocks, etc. present on the land. Okay, some land are fertile and some land are non-fertile. We can grow various types of crops on the fertile land. Okay, but it is very difficult to grow various types of crops on the non-fertile land or the rocky land. Okay, so we cultivate different types of crops: paddy, maize, wheat, okay, etc. on the fertile land. And different types of crops also need different types of soil. Some crops need sandy soil, okay, sandy land. Some crops need other types of land, okay, land containing full of water. Okay, some crops need loamy sand, etc. So only 1/3 of the part of the earth is covered by land and the remaining part of the earth is covered by water. Okay, only 1/3 part of the earth is covered by land and remaining part of the earth is covered by water. Okay, and we construct various types of buildings, house, recreational place, okay, swimming place, okay, other types of recreational place on the land. Okay, so human beings also depend on the land, and the land has the forest which gives timber as well as medicinal plants. Okay, regarding medicinal plants we already discussed in the previous class, and forest also gives timber, and the timber plant, okay, can be used to make different types of furnitures, okay, table, bench, chair, okay, window, door. Such type of timber tree can be used to make different types of furnitures. Okay, from the timber trees we can easily obtain plank, and with the help of this we can easily make our house, okay, chair, table, etc. So it helps to balance the suitable temperature by conducting land breeze and the sea breeze. Okay, by conducting land breeze and the sea breeze. Dear students, here you can see land breeze and the sea breeze. Okay, here you can see the flow of air from land to the sea in the night time is known as land breeze, and the flow of air from the sea to land in the daytime is called sea breeze. Here you can see in the diagram flow of air, okay, from where? From land to the sea, from this land to the sea. Okay, cool land air replaces rising air, warm ocean produces rising air. Flow of air from land to the sea in the night time, रातिको समयमा. त्यसै गरी the flow of air from the sea to land in the daytime. Okay, it occurs due to difference in the air pressure. Okay, difference in the pressure of the air just above the land and just above the sea. Sea माथिको air pressure र land को माथिपट्टिको air pressure मा भेरिएसन भएको कारणले गर्दा, डिफरेन्स भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि राति र दिउँसोको समयमा के हुन्छ भन्दा समुद्रको छेउछाउमा ल्यान्ड ब्रिज र सी ब्रिज हुन्छ. Okay, land breeze occurs at the night time and sea breeze occurs at the daytime. Okay, land breeze occurs at night time, and at the night time flow of air from where? Land to sea. Okay, land बाट समुद्रतिर जानेलाई ल्यान्ड ब्रिज भन्छ, समुद्रबाट ल्यान्डतिर आउनेलाई हामी के भन्छौँ? सी ब्रिज भन्छौँ. ओके, यो किन हुन्छ भन्दा ड्यू टु डिफरेन्स इन द एयर प्रेसर एट डे टाइम एन्ड night time. Okay, difference in the air pressure at the daytime and night time. And the present status of the land is getting worse due to excessive use of the chemical fertilizers. Okay, people use more chemical fertilizers, nitrogen containing fertilizers, phosphorus containing fertilizers, okay, potash containing fertilizers instead of the organic fertilizers. Okay, instead of the compost manure, people use excessive amount of the chemical fertilizers, and we know that chemical fertilizers only increase the productivity of the land, fertility of the land only for the short duration. Okay, but overall chemical fertilizers pollute the condition of the soil. Okay, condition of the environment. Okay, chemical fertilizers pollutes the condition of the environment, condition of the soil. Okay, so overpopulation, urbanization and industrialization. Okay, overpopulation, urbanization and industrialization are the main cause of the degradation of land. Okay, as the number of people increases and the land is limited. Okay, dear students, the land is limited and the number of the people is increasing day by day. Okay, so the limited land cannot hold more people. Okay, so the limited land cannot hold more people. Okay, then after pollution increases on the land. Okay, maximum use of the land. Overpopulation also leads to pollution. Overpopulation also leads to what? Overpollution. Urbanization, industrialization. Okay, due to establishing various industries. Okay, industries also produce lots of waste materials. Okay, that also degrades the quality of land. Okay, that also degrades the quality of land. Okay, so human beings depend on the land for various purposes. Okay, we cannot survive without land. Okay, this is also one of the important natural resources. Okay, land provide us suitable environment to make our house. Okay, we can make our house on the land, we can grow different types of crops on the land. Okay, so it is also one of the important natural resources. Dear students, we have been discussing about dependency of the human beings on the natural resources. And now I'm going to describe another natural resource, that is forest. Okay. So forest play an important role in balancing environment of any place. Okay. It plays very important role in the balancing environment. Okay, and forest is the habitat of all wild animals. Okay, and it is the source of the oxygen. Okay, we know that during photosynthesis process, plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight, air, and water, and at the same time, oxygen is released as a byproduct. Okay, and this oxygen can be utilized by human beings and as well as plants during breathing, important for the respiration. So it plays an important role in balancing environment. Okay, forest also play a very important role to prevent landslide. Okay, it helps to maintain a water cycle. Okay, so it is very important natural resources. And environment and the climate determine plants on any particular area. We know that different types of plants are found in the different habitat. Those plants which are found in the Terai region are not found in the mountain region and are not found in the hilly region. Particular type of climate, okay, determines particular species of the plants as well as particular species of the animals. Okay, those plants which are found in very hot temperature, okay, are not found in the uh, cold temperature. For example, sal, it is found in the Tarai region of the Nepal. It is not found in the you know mountain region. So particular type of plants are found in the particular region, and the climate of that region determines the plant. What type of plants are there? And we know we get construction materials like fuel, wood, valuable medicinal herbs, okay, etc. from the forest. Regarding medicinal herb, we have already discussed, and construction materials. Okay, I have told you timber. Okay, timber is used to make different constructional materials, house. Okay, door, window, table, etc. It is also the main source of the fuel. Okay, firewood also can be obtained from forest. Okay, firewood also can be obtained from forest. So human beings depend on the forest. We get fodder for our cattle from forest. गाई भैँसीहरूले खाने फुडरहरू घाँसहरू पनि हामी जङ्गलबाट ल्याउन सक्छौँ. So forest helps to prevent as well as minimize the effect of the landslide, soil erosion, flood. Okay, such type of natural disasters can be prevented, okay, by the forest. A root of the plants, okay, hold the soil tightly. Okay, root of the plants hold the soil tightly, and this helps to prevent from landslide. Okay, this helps to prevent from flood. Okay, soil erosion, etc. Okay, I have already told you it is the habitat of the wild animals. Okay, it is the habitat of wild animals. Different types of wild animals, tiger, elephant, lion, deer, okay, monkey. Okay, they all live in the forest. Okay, they obtain their food from the forest. They make their house in the forest. Okay, forest is also the habitat for the different types of birds. Okay, not only animals. And we know that due to rapid population growth, okay, due to rapid population growth, the demand of the forest resources has increased. Okay, limited land cannot hold the more people. That's why people starts to cut down the trees. Okay, in the marginal area. Okay, due to these forest resources of the Nepal is decreased. हामी जुन पहिला हरियो वन नेपालको धन भनेर भन्थ्यौं हो कि हैन, नेपाल यो प्राकृतिक सम्पदाहरूमा नेचुरल रिसोर्सेसहरूमा धनी छ भनेर भन्थ्यौं। तर अहिले के भइरहेको छ भन्दा मान्छेको पपुलेसन बढिरहेको कारणले गर्दाखेरि हो कि मान्छेको आवश्यकताहरू पूरा गर्नुपर्ने कारणले गर्दाखेरि मान्छेले जब लिमिटेड ठाउँमा आफ्नो घरहरू बनाएर बस्न सक्दैन, त्यसपछि उसले नजिकको जङ्गल फडानी गरेर ओके उसले फायरवुडको लागि हुन सक्छ अथवा घर बनाउनु हुन सक्छ अथवा जुनसुकै कारणले गर्दा पनि त्यहाँको फरेस्टहरू के गरिरहेको छ, फडानी गरिरहेको छ, डिफरेस्टेसन of course in the marginal area. Okay, so human beings in this chapter we have to focus on the dependency of the human beings on natural resources. For what purpose? For firewood, for timber, for medicinal plant. Okay, to balance the ecosystem. Okay, forest plays very important role. Okay, this is also one of the natural resource. Okay, this is also one of the important natural resources. Okay, dear students, only this much for today, and I will come with next video tomorrow, and thank you my dear students for watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Namaste.